Here we are at the Doug and Nikki Mobile Testing Studio, and today I saw another gadget that I just had to have. It looked great. It is a portable speaker, Bluetooth. It's got dual modes. It should be great for going to the beach. Let's check it out. Bringing around camping, all that kind of stuff. Let's open it up, see what's inside. The USB cable. Saying I'm gonna need that to charge it before I can show you guys how it works. Here is the unit itself. Oh, this thing is so light and so small, compact, waterproof, and instructions. All right, I'm gonna charge it up and let's try it out, see how it sounds. Okay, this should be very simple. It's very hard to see in this light. There is a power button and volume buttons, and that's pretty much it. Let's turn it. I charge it up a little bit. We're going to turn this on. Hopefully we get a flashing blue light, which means it's in pairing mode. Let me pair it with my phone. Go to Bluetooth pairing. Look, it shows up right away as the OontZ Angle 3. Pair. And we're paired. Okay, so now this is not music which I'm going to play because you can't play music, copyrighted music on Amazon, but I can play a Doug and Nikki video. Let's see how the audio is.
That you were totally going to want to see.
Oh, that
so
sounds
make sure
good.
you watch
That
the whole
sounds
video
really
to
good.
see all of these amazing hacks.
Here.
Coming to you live from Anthem of the Seas.
Okay, I paused that because this could not be more of a success for a little water-resistant, amazing Bluetooth speaker. It is light. You could bring this anywhere you're traveling. Kids, you could go to the beach, the boat, the RV, whatever it is. This is a great deal. I like it.
That was a great one.
Nikki likes it.
Yeah.